And our sister, my very respected sister, Madam Amina Tayyib Erdogan, raised funds from the streets of Istanbul and Ankara, Konya and other places, donated her own bracelet to the flood-affected people of Pakistan. How can we ever forget these great acts of generosity and kindness by the Turkish leadership and the Turkish people, Turkish businessmen, philanthropists? So this is the story of these two nations, and it predates to not only Khilafat movement back in early 20th century, but much before that, for the simple reason that we are two Muslim families. We have same values. We fear Allah Almighty. We believe in Quran-e-Kareem, and Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And I think today is a time that together we will inshallah serve this nation. Finally, I'd like to thank you for sparing your valuable time to receive me here and my delegation, and by our own eyes we have seen this devastation. I want to convey today that yesterday, after my discussion with my brother President Tayyip Erdogan, we have changed our strategy. Previously we were sending winterized tents, we were sending blankets and food stuff. Now we are only going to focus on winterized tents, inflammable, fireproof. I will be returning back to Pakistan today, carrying your good wishes for the people of Pakistan. I'll reach inshallah tomorrow, tonight. Tomorrow I am holding a meeting with all potential tent manufacturers in Pakistan. And I'm holding meeting with them and make a concrete plan for speedy manufacturing of high quality tents which are fireproof, and then shipping them to Turkey through aircraft, through land route, road transport, and through sea, by sea.